How to make 2024 your highest income year ever. Making 2024 your highest income year ever is entirely with reach if you set clear goals, invest in yourself, and explore new income opportunities. By staying focused, taking consistent action, and leveraging smart strategies like diversification, negotiation, and automation, you will set yourself up for financial success. Investing in your personal development is key to growing your income. Learning new, high-demand skills can open doors to new opportunities. Whether in your current role or a side hustle, look for certifications, courses, or mentorship programs in areas that can help you advance your career or grow your business. The first step toward increasing your income is setting specific and achievable goals. Aim to define how much you want to earn by when. Be detailed. Don't just say you want to make more money. Set an exact figure and break it down into monthly or even weekly targets. How to set goals. Write down your income target for 2024. For example, I want to earn $100,000 by December 31st. Break it into smaller milestones. For example, $8,333 per month. Outline the steps needed to reach these milestones. For example, taking on more clients, getting a raise, launching a side business. Invest in yourself and building new skills. Investing in your personal development is key to growing your income. Learning new, high-demand skills can open doors to new opportunities. Whether in your current role or a side hustle, look for certifications, courses, or mentorship programs in areas that can help you advance your career or grow your business. Popular skills to consider: 1. Digital marketing, SEO, social media management, PPC ads. Coding or web development, HTML, CSS, Python. Graphic design or video editing. Sales and negotiation techniques, AI and data analytics. These skills can position you for higher payment roles, help you expand your freelancer services, or even start your own business. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can limit your financial potential. In 2024, consider exploring multiple streams of income, whether through passive income, freelancer work, or side hustles. Diversification will protect you from financial setbacks and significantly increase your earning potential. To diversify income: 1. Investing. Consider investing in stocks, ETFs, or real estate for long-term wealth building. Number 2. Side hustles. Starting a part-time venture in something you have passionate about, like affiliate marketing, freelancing, or creating digital products. Number 3. Passive income. Look into opportunities like divided stocks, renting out property, or creating an online course. By having multiple income streams, you reduce risk and increase your chances of reaching your financial goals faster.
Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.